Hello everyone, this is Amit Parse. I am an ethical hacker, security researcher with strong expertise in cloud security, application modernization, application, network, vulnerability analysis, and penetration testing. I do all this activity with the help of AI, that is, with the help of GPT, with the help of Llama, with the help of something beautiful called as a Google Palm 2. Nowadays everyone talks about ChatGPT. Basically ChatGPT is a personal assistant for you, which can do almost anything for you. For example, you can simply ask ChatGPT to define the college syllabus for you, project syllabus for you. You can simply ingest the document into the ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to summarize those documents for you. If you are a developer, you can ask ChatGPT to write a complex program for you that you can run with the help of smaller changes. Everyone knows about it, nothing new. If you are a tester, then you can request ChatGPT or you can ask ChatGPT to write the test cases for you. So the medium by which you are communicating with the ChatGPT is something called as a prompt. Okay. So later we are going to see what is a prompt engineering also. So, what is the magic? Why ChatGPT is so popular? Because of the LLM, the magic which is running behind the ChatGPT. Large language model, similar to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT uses a GPT as a LLM. We have a Falcon, we have a Llama, and then we have from Google called as the Google Palm 2, Google Palm 2 AI. So this LLM or this AI, this has given a boon. This is a boon for the industry because almost all the industries are worrying about their data. For example, hospital industry, they have their own data. Banking industry, they have their own data. Or mechanical industry, they have their own data. So how AI is going to play a bigger role over here? Let us take one simple example. Typically a patient is trying to interact with the hospital doctor online. In this case, doctor is not sure to whom he is talking to. Patient is not sure who is my doctor. Patient is worried about his treatment and doctor is worried about what exactly the patient's problem is. So this problem can be easily solved by the LLM. By the LLM, maybe it could be GPT, it could be Palm 2. I'm going to cover a use case considering the Palm 2 in this case. What we can do is we can analyze the patient history, we can import the patient history, we can read the patient's prescription, and then we can use the two types of the knowledges. One, the private knowledge that we are going to share with the chat gpt, with the, sorry, not with the chat gpt, with the LLM. In this case, if we are going to work with the chat gpt, then it's GPT is the LLM. I'm going to showcase this thing with the help of Palm. Okay, so then the global knowledge base on which the Palm, that language model, is already trained on, it's a combination, it's a mix. So if you are a beginner, if you are an college intern looking for a job, I know, everyone knows nowadays a Python. Everyone is already done with some sort of a AI and ML course in their institute. But believe me, this LLM is a career boost for you. Okay, if you are a software developer, if you are a tester, yes, there is a tremendous impact on your work also, because your applications also need the modernization. Use case, simple use case. You need to analyze your data, summarize your data, build the insights on your data. Take the simple example. I would like to see the Nifty movement in last 30 days. How am I going to do that? I have two options. One, go for purely ML. Another one, use something from LLM. So I am going to invite you for a webinar which I am planning to have on December 17th, 2023. In this webinar, I am going to talk briefly about the topics that are those are listed on the screens. Those are not only theoretical topics. You need to have a developer mindset or tester mindset for it. Okay, or you need to be an person who would like to see where the industry is going. Okay, so this is the practical also. I am going to share you the collab notebook for each and everything which is mentioned on the screen. I'm going to introduce you what is LLM, what are the different types of the LLMs that we have, how we are going to host the LLM, what is the cheapest available option, because LLM hosting is one of the key factor that everyone needs to take care of. Further, I am going to tell you what is natural language processing, how we are going to summarize the data, how we are going to generate the insights from the given data. Maybe I will ask you to analyze your own horoscope and then see, I mean, how the day or how the month or how the week would look like for you. So guys, believe me, this is really very interesting. I mean, I will try to cover my level best in this 90 minutes webinar that I am going to have. But yes, this 90 minutes webinar is purely going to focus on exactly what is needed to boost your skill. That means, I mean, I'm not going to ask you to learn the entire Python, entire Falcon. We are going to see, we are going to get a very good start. So what it takes, what it needs, what I need to learn to get that good start is the thing that we are going to cover. So, looking forward to see you in the webinar. Please visit my website www.amitparse.com. Please like my page, as well as please visit the post details also to see the more updates. Thank you. Thanks. Bye bye.